What up? What's up? What's up? It's your boy Chewy Spice. We back with another video, getting down to business. How to cook some oxtail. We're gonna get straight down to business. Can you believe this little bit amount of oxtail was $40? But it is what it is. They're getting expensive, and we're gonna keep cooking them. We're gonna drop some vinegar in there. I always preach properly clean your meat. Vinegar, lime, a little bit of salt. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of salt. Always clean your meat. Disinfect, clean it. You know what I'm saying? Show your meat proper loving. You want to cut some of that fat off. As I was doing this, I realized why did I use the cutting board to cut the fat off? That probably would have been easier, better position. But anyway, it was too late for that. But I could do that next time. Um, this one didn't. This oxtail didn't have as much fat as the last one I bought last time when I made oxtail. It was probably about a month or 2 months ago. Oxtail expensive. We ain't gonna make it every day. That's for sure. But you gotta cut the fat off. Oxtail got a lot of fat. If you know, you know. We'll cut this lime up, get it all in there, get the juice all in there, rub it all in there. If you're noticing, the meat color has a different color. It went from being red meat till now it's looking whitish, right? It's because the vinegar, salt, and lime is doing what it needs to do. Respectfully, always do that. Vinegar, lime, little bit of salt to your meat. Respectfully. Now I got some boiled hot water. I'm about to transfer all in there. You know what I'm saying? Look what that hot water is gonna do. You see some of that fat is just coming off. The boiled hot water is to give it a pre-cook, you know what I'm saying, pre-cook, a little pre-disinfectant. It's all part of the process. Be grateful. Be thankful. The process gonna hit. I'm saying now we get into seasoning the oxtail. We'll put a little salt. Salt always needed. I'm saying a little salt. I believe that was garlic powder or onion. One of those that I just poured right after that. Yes, sir. A little bit of dash. You can get this at your local Walmart. A little bit of dash at your local Walmart. We all know the price of things is extremely inflated, so I've been a Walmart guy lately. Onion powder. So the last one was garlic onion powder. You can never go wrong with a little onion powder. Yes, sir. This oxtail about to hit. Paprika. Can't go wrong with a little spice. Can't be chewy spice with no spice. Respectfully. Don't be afraid to put seasoning in the food, man. Oregano. If you know about that oregano be busting. Oregano be having that sauce on point. What you know about that oregano? A little paprika, a little more paprika, more spice. It is what it is. We got some chili pepper in there too. I like spice. It wasn't even that spicy to me personally. The green stuff, that's epis. I'm Haitian, so we call it epis. Spanish people call it sofrito. Blended spice. That oxtail coming along, fogging up the camera. Oh yeah, yes sir. Coming along. Cut up some onions, some peppers. Saying throw a little ragu in there. You know about that ragu, you know. Yeah, ooh-wee. Never go wrong with oxtail. But this small amount for $40 is
Good old
something
oxtails.
else. Now I see when you go to a restaurant, you ask for oxtail, they be like, make me $20 a plate. I know why. Oxtail. Man, that sauce, man, it's looking good. Give y'all a little close up. Man. Ooh. You really want your oxtail to be falling off the bone when you eat the soup.